In this video, we unbox PeohZarr's newest model of the true wireless earbuds and see if they're worth it. Roll the intro. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another tech unbox video. So today, PeohZarr has actually sent us over a pair of their 2019 Model T50 true wireless earbuds. So I've actually never heard of this brand. I'm kind of skeptical as to how these things are going to perform. So without further ado, let's dig in and see what we've got. First off, we're presented with a pretty nice box here. You can see that it's got a nice sleeve that slides on over the bigger box here, which is actually quite nice. So we'll go ahead and pull that off. And then again, these are the Kaneye, and it's the Model T50 true wireless earbuds you can see right there. So let's go ahead and pull the top off this box and see what we've got inside. Looks like we got some type of like pamphlet or instructions or something right here on the top. Let's go ahead and open up that. Yeah, looks like we got a user manual here. We got some warm tips, probably just some information on how to clean up. And it looks like they actually sent you a nice little felt bag that you can put your case or your earbuds in. Right here you got the little case itself, which is actually pretty nice. It's definitely some plastic. It does have a really nice magnetic feel to it, so if you have it closed, the magnets are quite strong, so you don't have to worry about it popping open and losing the earbuds as well. So, and from what I understand, this is a 26 milliamp or 2600 milliamp battery pack within this thing, so you've got plenty of charge once this thing's fully charged up to charge your headphones or your earbuds on the go as well. Also, for what I understand is you can plug this thing into your phone using the corresponding USB cables on here, and this could act as a battery booster. So if you're low on battery in your phone, you can plug this in and pull a little bit of juice from it to get you a couple percent if you need that as well. So pretty cool little feature here. Again, it's got some nice magnetics, and you can see right here where the left and right headphone or earbud is going to sit. Pulling out the headphones here, you can see that we've got the medium, looks like the medium ear cups on there, then you've got the small and largest. So you have all different sizes. So you have all different sizes to make sure that these things fit your ear the most comfortably, and which is quite nice. They are touch sensitive, and in the instructions here, it will tell you on how to use the touch panels on the side. So far, I'm actually quite impressed. The case that they come with is actually nice and solid, and then you do have a wide variety of little things included in this little kit as well. Though I do notice that the lid doesn't like to stay open very well, so it must not have any type of spring loading in the hinge. Those have actually a really nice strong magnet that keep them in there, so you don't have to worry about them falling out, which is quite nice. As I was saying earlier, I am actually quite impressed just from the box itself, the presentation of the box and the quality of these things. I'm really excited to try these out, see how well they work, see how comfortable they fit in the ear. They've got a really nice lightweight design, and we'll see how well they work going forward. Bluetooth pairing was a snap. For first pairing, simply pull them from the case, tap one of the earbuds once. They'll start to blink, indicating that they are in pairing mode. Open up Bluetooth on your phone and look for them in the discovered list, select them, and wait for them to pair. Earlier I mentioned the earbud case can double as a power pack because it does have a 2600 milliamp battery in it. This comes in handy if you need some extra juice for your phone. Simply plug in a USB-A into whatever USB your phone takes and you have instant power. The lid on the case does tend to close very easily and does feel cheaply made. It would be nice to have something like a spring load or a little bit more resistance hinges to keep it open. However, it does have a really nice magnetic strength to ensure your earbuds stay seated. When using the correctly sized earbuds that come along with them, they did fit very comfortably and didn't want to budge despite all of the shock that they received. This bodes well if you plan to use them for any type of sports or workouts. Now, in conclusion, with these headphones, and again, just personal preference, is I feel like the lid is a little too cheap. It closes a little too easy. As I was mentioning before, it would be nice to have some type of like resistance on the hinges or a spring load to keep it from closing that easily. However, for 50 bucks, you really can't go wrong. They're true wireless again. They've got touch control. They have a 3.5 to 4 hour per use, and then you've got the power pack on top of that you can use to charge your phone. IPX8 waterproof rating, and it's all backed by a 2-year warranty. For 50 bucks, that's a steal, and the sound quality out of these things is actually quite good for their price point. After having a chance to use these a little bit more, the sound quality and build quality on them is actually really good, and from a personal preference to me, they do check all the boxes. They're comfortable to wear, they don't budge when you're trying to use them, whether you're doing sports or just running around, whatever you want to do. They stay nice and firm in your ears. They check all the boxes without actually breaking the bank. And that wraps up today's tech unbox video, bringing us into our question of the day. What other true wireless earbuds have you used? Leave your answers in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and check out some of the other videos that we do on this channel. We do a ton of stuff tech related. I'll give you a couple examples. Subscribe if you're not already, and enable the bell notification so you guys don't miss out on any type of future content, and we will see you on the next one.